over! Pull over!
Truck Zebra 19er. Attempted robbery in progress on Oriole Avenue. Matt, they got the roads blocked. Austin PD! Austin PD, can you hear me? More like a vault.
Thing just broke the jaws. This thing's like a tank.
If the driver got shot, there's probably a hole in the glass somewhere.
Hey, hang on, I think I found it.
Keep going! It's working! Crank it!
Okay, pull him up.
Okay.
Start bagging him now.
Come on, come on.
Come on, open your eyes for me. There's a tube in your throat that's breathing for you. Blink twice if you understand.